A super short and sweet review for you today. Here we have the Bausch Lomb SOOTHE Eyedrops. Definitely a trusted brand, and they actually come in different formulations. I have the basic one here, and it works. The gentle formulation soothes dryness, redness, and irritation, which is super handy if you spend a lot of time in front of screens in air-conditioned spaces or just outdoors. Now, what's awesome about this product is that it also comes in these portable eye drop vials. I don't have that here, but trust me, it's going to be my next purchase. Those are going to be tiny and mighty little helpers for tired, dry, or irritated eyes. Yes, I can already see how convenient they'll be. Instead of lugging around this bottle and not being able to share with family members, I'll have this single vial that I can fit into a pocket pencil case or travel pouch. And it's potentially more hygienic, I might add. But in either way, whether you buy a big bottle, this little bottle, or the little vials, this is a product that works, and I recommend it.